Have you ever wondered, why does ice cream melt on a hot day? Why does water bubble when it boils? And how can you smell your favorite food from another room? Well, the answer to all of these is because everything around us, the air, your desk, even you, is made of tiny, tiny building blocks called particles. In this lesson, let's learn about the particle model of matter. So, what is matter? Matter is all around us. Anything that has mass and takes up space, from the air we breathe, to the chair we sit on, to the water we drink. Everything is made of matter. But matter isn't just a continuous substance. Scientists discovered that it's made of unimaginably tiny building blocks called particles. To explain how matter behaves, we use the particle model of matter. This model is built on four main ideas. First, all matter is made of extremely small particles. Second, these particles are attracted to one another. Third, they are never still. They are constantly moving. And fourth, when heat is added, the particles move faster. Not all particles are the same. They can be either atoms, the simplest units, like sodium atoms that form sodium metal. Ions. These are charged atoms, such as sodium and chloride ions that bond together to make common table salt. Molecules. Groups of atoms chemically bonded, like sulfur molecules, which consists of several atoms joined together. The type of particles matter because it affects how strongly they attract each other. Metals have strong metallic bonds, ions have strong electrostatic attractions, and molecules often only have weak forces between them. The way particles are arranged and how they move explains the three states of matter. In solids, particles are packed closely together, locked in position, but they vibrate constantly. That's why solids keep a definite shape. In liquids, particles are still close, but they can slide past one another. This is why liquids flow and take the shape of their container. In gases, particles are far apart and move freely in all directions. That's why gases spread out and fill any available space. Heat energy has a powerful effect on particles. When heat is added, particles gain more kinetic energy and move faster. Heating a solid increases vibrations until the particles break free, causing the solid to melt into a liquid. Heating the liquid further makes the particles move quickly enough to escape into the air, turning into a gas. This is called vaporization. The reverse can also happen. When gas particles lose energy, they slow down and condense into a liquid. Cooling the liquid even further causes particles to lock in place again, forming a solid. These changes of state, melting, vaporization, condensation, and freezing, can all be explained by the motion and arrangement of particles. So what did we learn today? Remember that matter is anything that has mass and takes up space, and the particle model helps us explain its behavior. We discovered four key ideas. First, all matter is made of tiny particles. These particles attract each other. They are always in motion, and heat makes them move faster. We also saw how arrangement and motion of particles explain why solids keep their shape, liquids flow, and gases spread out. And finally, we learned how changes of state, melting, vaporization, condensation, and freezing all come down to how particles gain or lose energy. The big takeaway is that the particle model is not just a theory. It's a powerful tool that helps us understand everyday phenomena, from ice melting in your drink to steam rising from a boiling pot. Matter may seem ordinary, but at the particle level, it's full of motion and energy. This simple idea that everything is made of tiny, moving pieces explains so much about our world. And that's it for today. See you next time and stay curious.